TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. For those of you who might be new here, we are exploring in Costa Rica right now, but our time here is coming to a close. We have just finished checking out Hotel Pura Vista in the Octal area of like northern Costa Rica. And yeah, we're on our way to the airport hotel. We fly home tomorrow. So we have a pretty leisurely day ahead of us. We're going to stop and grab some breakfast at a cute little coffee place that we actually went to. I think in our last video we probably went there. It was just delicious. I love something savory. Derek loves something sweet. So it was just like, it's just the perfect little spot. And then we're gonna head to drop off the rental car and yeah, see where the day takes us. But I did want to talk to you guys a little bit today about some of our like Costa Rica tips and favorites and all that kind of stuff. So that's the plan. If you enjoy content like that, stick around and let's just get moving. Okay, so we just finished breakfast at Java Coffee. Is it called Java Coffee?
Yep.
Yes, Java Coffee Shop. Super delicious. It's definitely not like a inexpensive local soda spot. So if that's what you're looking for, it's not that, but it's just so delicious. I bought my vanilla caramel coffee here. Oh, thank you. Derek opened the door for me. And it's just so good. It's like that perfect pick-me-up. We have ate at a few like really good spots on this trip, some that I've shared with you, and some that I have not. One of our favorites is Ginger.
Tapas restaurant.
Ginger Tapas and Wine Restaurant or something like that. Ginger anyway. And it's in Hermosa Beach. We went there last night. So good. So if you are in the Hermosa Beach area, check out Ginger. It is also one that's not super, like it's not like a super local spot. It is a little bit more pricey, but like for like a nice date night out, absolutely perfect. But plan now is to drive to Liberia, return the rental car, and then I'm going to share a few more little hot tips with you guys, so stick around.
2,000 years later.
Okay, gracias. Okay, so we are here at the Hilton Garden Liberia Airport. We stayed here at the very start of our trip, so if you missed that video and you're wondering a little bit more about what this hotel is like and stuff like that, I'll leave my review linked above. But we're back here for one more night. We just finished dropping off the rental car at Adobe Rental Car. That's another video that I will link below, but would definitely recommend them. They are one of the only companies that sort of would give us a quote including all of our insurance and everything like that. They will still try to help you sell you on like additional insurance when you get here, but they do quote you with all of the necessary insurance included in your initial quote versus a lot of other rental car companies here, which will give you a fairly low quote, and then when you get here they will throw in more mandatory insurance policies and things like that, no matter what kind of insurance you're coming down here with. So just something to keep in mind. Would definitely recommend them, and I will try my best to leave a link to the website that we booked through when we came, so that you can get like 10% off. Having a rental car in Costa Rica is definitely not necessary. I'm not gonna say that it's 100% necessary, because you can for sure get around using public transit and taxis and all that kind of stuff. And if you're down for an adventure and you're trying to keep it cheap, definitely like more power to you. But I will say that if you want to get off the beaten path and do a lot of adventuring in a small amount of time, visit the north, the south, go up in the mountains, all that kind of stuff, and really get the most of it, having a rental car is something that I would recommend considering for your trip. And also it's super convenient. So we've done Costa Rica a few different times, using sometimes with rental cars, sometimes without. We've just found the most benefit in having a rental car and yeah, and a GPS, because stuff ain't clearly marked down here. So just a quick FYI, this road, this bumpiness that's all happening right here, this is still considered to be like a main road or a main route to a city. So, bye-bye pavement. And yeah, hello Costa Rica. But with all that said, I think I'm just going to leave it here for today. I hope that I was able to provide you guys with some sort of valuable information for your trip to Costa Rica if you plan on going. In my next video, we are going to be traveling home, and then I'm going to be giving you a bit more of a review on just, you know, stuff as I do, travel stuff, more tips and tricks, all of those things. So if you enjoy tips and tricks videos, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Let me know if you have any questions about Costa Rica or the rental car or just really anything in the description down below, or in the comments down below. It's been a day. And until I see you guys next, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you back home in Alberta. Bye guys.